Okay, this is a oak burl. Came from a very large burl. This is a 3 or 4 inch thick section of it. I've got other pieces still to use, and then I left some outside and they rotted away too much. I can't use them. But it's stabilized with epoxy. Because I made this relatively thick, there are very few places where the epoxy is actually all the way through. It's on the outside surface right there, you can see it. And it's on the inside surfaces, but there's no place really where it's going all the way through. It's got a lot of character. This turned out, you can see all kinds of color variations from light to dark black. There is some red even.